Please like and subscribe my channel. Hi friends, welcome to my channel and I am Pankhudi. Today I am going to share my study favorites with you all. So without further ado, let's start the video.
My first desk essential is a book holder. Yes, this is my book holder. I use it regularly. It has adjustable page holders. You can use both thick or thin books and adjust it. It has multiple viewing angles, so you can adjust it as per your requirement. It will hold everything perfectly as it has anti-slip grip. It also has a pen holder. It is very portable, robust and lightweight. It can hold any book perfectly. You can also use this book holder to hold your tablet while taking online classes. Next most important thing is a planner. This is my desk calendar cum planner. It has all the dates with empty boxes. I always write my school tests, revision, project submission or birthdays in it. Because of this planner, I always submit my work on time and always know which exams to prepare for. I write everything here as soon as I know it.
Click the link in the I-bar to watch my DIY planner video.
Next is a stationery organizer. This is also one of my most important accessories. I have kept it very simple but really efficient. I have this plastic basket where I have kept 2 glasses to keep all my pens, pencils inside it. Then I also keep other essentials inside it like glue, my timer, push pins, stapler, scissors, highlighters, etc. You can use this type of organizer also. This single basket organizes all my stationery including diaries.
You can make beautiful organizers at home. Click the I-bar to watch the video.
Here are few more stationery organizers for you. Organize your desk and enjoy studying. Another most important thing is a pin board. On a pin board, you can pin your date sheets, your to-do lists, your timetables, your drawings and every important thing you want. You can always pin out the papers after completing your task. Here are few more pin boards ideas for you. Another good thing to keep on your desk is a study lamp. Always invest in a good study lamp because light is very important while studying. This is my study lamp. It is flexible and bendable. I can move it as per my preference. This has a rechargeable battery so that I can use it without worrying about the cells. You can buy study lamps from anywhere. Here are a few ideas of study lamps. Now we need all the books and copies with us all the time. So it is very important to keep them handy as well as organized. So it is important to have a book organizer with us. Here I have my 2 metallic organizers with me. I keep copies in one organizer and books in another. It looks very stylish. Secondly, you can use floating shelves beside your table to keep all the books and copies. Lastly, you can use a basket wherein you can keep all the books and copies. And you can always keep them back after your studies. It will help you to make your desk organized.
I have shared DIY book organizer video already. Do watch it. Don't forget to keep water bottle and snacks near you when you sit for your studies. I hope you will like the video. Like and subscribe my channel. तो ये था आज का ज्ञान, हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. Thank you. Bye bye.